Good morning, everyone. The big day is here, and as you can see, I'm finally here to pick up my 2020 Honda GoldWing Tour DCT. Jeff is pulling the bike out, and I'm all ready to start with my first ride. I'm excited and nervous at the same time. I wasn't this nervous when I took the dealer's demo bike for a test ride. I guess it's different when it's yours. Alright, so here's the button. Let's start. Oops, I think I pressed the wrong button. Still need to get used to where the ignition is. I love the way the new wing sounds. It's so nice to ear. Okay, all set. So I'm heading back home right now. I need to drop off my wing there and then come back and pick up my car and take it back home. My wife's behind me, and I guess once I bring the car back, then I'll be going for another ride. I hope this new GoPro mount setting that I have is working fine, and I don't have any audio glitches this time like I did last time. The sound, the shifting is just perfect. I remember I had the same feeling when I went on the test ride at the Honda Canada head office in Markham, Ontario. It feels so light that even though it's 800 pounds, you don't feel the weight when you're riding. And that's the beauty about this GoldWing, that you don't feel the weight. I'm still a bit careful. I need to get used to the DCT, and that's something that my dealer kept telling me again and again, that you need to be careful with the DCT transmission, especially that there's no clutch now and there is only one D. He said most accidents he has heard about have been of people who are used to the clutch, and while riding DCT, that's the part they forget. Standing at the traffic light, they don't realize that, and when they accelerate, they end up hitting something or have an accident. I've heard some brutal stories on DCT, and that is not my concern, but I'm just cautious about it. Like every time I stop, I'm making sure that, I'm not accelerating. And I need to switch it to neutral, which I haven't done that yet, but let's see. taking all the inside streets back home, trying to avoid the main roads. Funny thing is, even though I have the BMW R90, I don't get the same feeling when I ride that. This bike has something. Like, I mean, it's different. You feel different when you're riding it. It's so light. I just peeked through my GoPro and looks like it's I have a good angle of view, so hopefully the video should be fine when you all are viewing it, and even when I'm editing it. Biggest glitch is when you're done with the recording and you reach back home and turns out that it didn't record properly, and you know, or the voice didn't record properly. And this is one of the things that I don't want it to go or will be wasted. It's my first ride. I really want to record it, and I hope it works fine. Yeah. I need to try the different riding modes, and I've heard that the sports is the best one. I think I'll take it easy for now. Drive in economy for a while. Or I think maybe a day or two, and then switch it to the sports mode. I think eventually I want to leave it on the sports mode all day round and ride on it. Yeah, I'm not a type of person that likes to change modes. Once I leave it on it, it's there for the rest of the life. The motorcycle probably. I might switch it to rain mode once in a while if I'm riding in rain. I usually try to avoid rain, but you know, or try to avoid such weather just to be safe. But yeah, if I'm ever stuck, I think that's the second mode I probably use after the sports one. With my both feet down, I'm on my tippy toes, so I guess I still have the balance, and the suspension is at just the rider, so I probably will make another video showing how I am looking on the motorcycle while sitting. With my height, I'm 5'8", about 173 centimeters on a good day. It's funny, I can feel the sweat in my hand. It's a funny feeling. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing so you don't miss on any future upcoming videos. And once you watch it, please feel free to leave your comments below. yeah, give with your thumbs up if you like it. That's the motivation. Yeah, we get I didn't realize. I thought I was in the economy, but I just looked down. I'm in the touring mode, so it's not even economy. Not bad. I like it. I think I need to probably take it on the highway and ride more there, or take it up the escarpment and put it in sports mode and ride on the twisties we have here. Or maybe not get too excited and take it easy. On the turns at the corner, you accelerate, and I feel the bike like wants to go fast. I've also read on the forums and on the Facebook pages a lot of people sending their ECUs to get the speed limiter removed and everything. I don't know how much more speed I need. Anyways, I think I'm almost home. Yep. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my first ride. Don't forget to leave comments below telling me what you think about it.